हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ रूबी चौहान और आज मैं आप लोगों को सिविक्स के चैप्टर फर्स्ट क्लास 7th की सिविक्स के चैप्टर फर्स्ट ऑन इक्वलिटी के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कराने जा रही हूँ। आप लोग ध्यान से सुनिएगा। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन ए डेमोक्रेसी वाई यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज इम्पोर्टेंट। यहाँ पर इसका आंसर है यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन डेमोक्रेसी एज फर्स्ट है इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इक्वलिटी। सेकंड है इट मीन्स दैट ऑल एडल्ट दोज हु आर 18 एंड अबव सिटीजन्स हैव द इक्वल राइट टू वोट। थर्ड है इट डू नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सोशल और इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड्स। फोर्थ है इट इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक सोसाइटीज़। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखिए आप लोग। Reread the works on Article 15 and state to ways in which the article addressed inequality. Answer है इसका Article 15 in democracy of the Constitution prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Two ways in which the article addressed inequality. टू वेज इन विच द आर्टिकल एड्रेस्ड इनइक्वलिटी। सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट है इट सजेस्ट स्टेट नॉट टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट अगेंस्ट एनी सिटीजन ऑन ग्राउंड्स ओनली ऑफ रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, सेक्स, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ ऑफ एनी देम। सेकेंड है नोट सिटीजन शैल बी सब्जेक्ट टू एनी डिसेबिलिटी, लाइबिलिटी एंड रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन ग्राउंड्स only of religions, race, caste, sex, place of birth of any them. Question number 3 है in what ways was Om Prakash Varma's experience similar to that of the Ansari? So आंसर में है in following ways ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि experience was similar to that of the Ansari. First, both of them discriminate by the society on the basis of their caste or religion. Second, dignity and self-respect of both of them get violated. Third, both suffered from unequal treatment. Question number 4 है what do you understand by the term all persons are equal before the law? Why do you think it is important in democracy? आंसर है इसका the term all persons are equal before the law means that everyone will be given justice before law by treating them equal, from the president of the country to the common people. All are equal in front of law. It is important in democracy because first इसमें democracy suggests that no one should be treated on unequal basis because of their wealth, caste, color, religions and genders. Second है it also ensure that no one will be given more preference for the same crime irrespective. थर्ड है इसमें it provide the people equal opportunity to defend themselves in public court irrespective of their social economic position. Fourth है it also reflects the true nature of democracy. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में देख लीजिए आप लोग। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया passed the Disability Act in 1995. The law states that persons with disability have equal rights and that the government should make possible their full participation in society. The government has to prove free education and integrate children with disability into mainstream schools. The law also state that all public places including buildings, school, etc. should be accessible and provided with ramps. Look at the photograph and think about the boy who is being carried down the stairs. Do you think the above law is being implemented in his case? What needs to be done to make the building more accessible for him? How would his being carried down the stairs affect his dignity as well as his safety? So answer is no, I don't think the above law is being implemented in his case. According to the Disability Act, all public places, including buildings, schools, should be accessible and provided with ramps, which is not done in this case. Therefore, the buildings should be provided with ramps to make it accessible for the person with disabilities. Also, person with disability have equal right that the government should make possible their full participation in society, but here the dignity and self-respect of the person is hurt. Someone is showing sympathy and extending their helping hands. The boy may feel pity on inferior in this case of being helped by other only due to disability. It also affects the safety of that person as he may slip due to imbalance or केयरलेसनेस। सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू।